Hello again, chemistry students. I'm back for another video for this week. We're going to do what's called the Day 2 Molarity Problems. And just like the other lesson for this week, we're going to use molarity as a conversion factor. I also put in this same slide so you would know what units you're going to use depending on what you're solving for. I can tell you that none of the problems will be solving for molarity. You'll be doing liters, milliliters, mass in grams, or moles. And because problem one is pretty easy, I have a lot of hints in there for you. The two examples I'm going to do with you are questions 4 and 5. So for number 4, you follow these red arrows. They're very helpful to let you know what your path is going to be. So you are given grams up here, 112 grams of AgNO3. You're going to go to moles, and then you're going to end at liters because that's what the question is asking you for, is liters. So you won't continue all the way to milliliters. You have calculated this formula mass before, so I'm just going to fill it in up here in the table. You'll want to work that out though. So like I said, we're starting with grams. So we're going to put 112 grams AgNO3 for our given. Now, if you follow your path, we're going to go from grams of A to moles of A. So we're going to cancel grams of AgNO3 at the bottom. We're going to convert to moles. One thing you'll notice about these problems is there is no B. So when you're filling in your substance, you won't have to worry about switching to something else. Now for the gram to mole step, there's a hint right here. It says 1 mole equals the formula mass in grams, and that's what we solved up here. We have 1 mole equals 169.9 grams. So I'll put a 1 with mole, 169.9 with G. And I even have some hints even on number 4 for you. Since mole is what we converted to for the first step, we have to cancel mole. And then when you go to liter, you'll notice in the blue box that it changes to the word solution. So that's why I put the word solution in here. And then the hint is blank mole equals 1 liter of solution. And it says use the number with capital M. If you remember, whatever the number is with capital M is the same as saying 2.3 moles per 1 liter of solution. So when we have our mole liter step, that's where we're going to get our mole number. And when you do the math here, 112 times 1 times 1, divide by 169.9, divide by 2.3, you are going to get around 3,700. Depending on where you round, you could have a little bit under or over that. As long as it's somewhere near there, you've done it right. Since we solved for, they wanted how many liters of solution, our unit is liter or liters, and our substance is solution. All right, next example is number 5. If you follow the arrows here, you'll see that we're going from moles to liters to milliliters. There are no, we're not starting at grams, so we won't have to solve for the formula mass. We're going to start with 2.5 moles NaOH. The moles of NaOH cancel. We're converting to liters of NaOH. This is going to come from our capital M number. I will tell you that 1 is going to go with liter. Liter is going to cancel. Oh, and you're actually going to put solution here. And my video is running out of time.